Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstration, showing off this. It is my gaming keyboard. It's the BK67. I'm using it with my GeForce GTX NVIDIA-driven Dell gaming Alienware laptop, and this thing is fantastic for gaming, for fun, and for everything in between. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about NOW exclamation point. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their website, bzfuture.com. Look at all those great discounts and deals from a fantastic company with great products. Wow. This is Motospeed's RGB color backlit BK67 gaming keyboard, born on the game, professional game player choice. This has the N key rollover, full functional switch, professional esports players, standard equipment, 67 keys, double color, key lock technology, quick lock the win button to avoid accidental touch during gameplay. Yeah, pretty fantastic. This works on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, and Mac operating systems. All right, so we're gonna open her up and see what's on the inside. On the inside, all right, look at this. So we've got a red and black design keyboard, ergonomically designed. There we go, pretty fantastic. Good action on those keys. Of course, it's USB A to C. Let's see if I can get that in frame for you. Boom. And what a great little device. It is a genuine gaming keyboard that is absolutely fantastic. USB A to C, this thing is incredible. So it's the BK67, it's a gaming keyboard that you're absolutely going to love. Now, if you're a gamer, this is a professional level keyboard that lets you play your games, have a great backlight to it. We'll show you some overlays of the backlight. And this thing has quick key action that's going to make a real difference. It's compatible with all your recent Windows, all your Mac operating systems, and these guys have done a great job coming up with a three color actually, incredible keyboard that's going to let you really move on screen when you need it. Now, this isn't just for gamers, but gamers need the fastest response rate, they need refresh, they need everything in it, and this is the best of the best. So folks, if you're looking for something that has a life cycle, 50,000 key presses. If you're looking for something with incredible lightweight ability and the fact that you can move it around and play it the way you want to, this is incredible. All right, folks, I'm gonna have to show it to you up close and personal, but if your question is, should I pick up this gaming keyboard? Well, the answer is heck yes. This thing is born to play, has 67 double color keycaps, and it quickly locks the win button to avoid accidental pressing. So go ahead and pick this up, you won't be disappointed. And stick around for the up-close portion of the video. A little bit more information. You can press it 50,000 times, wow. Suspended keycap, RGB backlit design, and key rollover, the flash chip, ergonomic design, and USB cables. Pretty fantastic, right? Supports super dazzling RGB lighting effects, 67 keys, 2-color injection keycaps, fully mechanical switch, standard equipment for professional game players, and of course the quick lock win key to avoid accidental touching. If you're looking for some information about it, it does come with the tech specs right here. The key life is 50 million times, that's a lot of playing. Weight is only 567 grams. And this is just a nice product. USB full speed 2.0, supports real report rate of 1000 hertz. USB wired, supports all keys without punching, and it's good for a bunch of different operating systems. The wired mode, switch, press the function tab keys at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds, and the main keypad and the light indicator will be green when it's switched. All right, folks, this is Bluetooth. It's fantastic. Got the on and off right here, and what a powerful device. So you're gonna go ahead, in case you didn't see, there's the USB-C. You're gonna go ahead and pick this up. It is absolutely fantastic, exclamation point, enter. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Go ahead and pick it up. This is the BK67 by Motospeed. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Adios, amigos.